Township Entrepreneurs Stories is a web series proudly brought to you by T. We profile small businesses nationwide that are providing services and products ekasi.
Good day. My name is Thabile Bock, and then I've been working as an estate agent for at least 8 years now. Just to talk about the company that I'm in at the moment, I'm with Cede Properties, which is based in Windmere, but I've got my own branch, which is called Cede Properties Glenwood. It's located here in Durban. Yes, and then that one only started this year, January this year. Remember, I've been an estate agent for 8 years, but to have my own company, I've started it this year, which is still Cede Properties, but it's just a branch of Cede Properties. So I'm operating under a group of Cede Properties as Cede Properties Glenwood. What we do at Cede Properties, we are estate agents, or you'd say property practitioners. What we do residentials, we do commercials. And in terms of residential and commercials, we do both sales and we do rentals as well. So we're not necessarily limited to areas. We operate in Durban, and we're also based in Pinetown. So we're not limited to areas. So whoever wants a property to buy or to sell, or whoever wants a property to rent, they can contact us at Cede Properties Glenwood branch. Another thing also, we also do lettings for warehouses, for commercial, like big companies needing big spaces like 1,200 square meters, and even small businesses as well. We do believe that a small business today is tomorrow's big business. So we deal with all kinds of business really. So you can contact us. To reach us, you can contact, my number is 076 553 6408. Again, the number is 076 553 6408. We do have our website, which is www.cedeproperties.co.za. It's www.cedeproperties.co.za, our website. And we also are found on Facebook on Cede Properties Glenwood. So you can find us. Again, my contact number, I'm even on WhatsApp, it's 076 553 6408. For all the sellers, the buyers, the property owners who just need assistance with property to let or for sale, landlords and sellers, and even tenants who wants to rent, do contact us. My name is Thabile Bock. I am a township entrepreneur.